Okay, Abigail, what are you going to give me? You going to give me some toast? Bring me some toast? You going to bring some over? Here comes the toast. Thank you. I'm going to go back now. Now what are you going to bring me? Maybe some white cheese?
Milk.
Milk? You going to bring me milk? Okay, bring the milk over.
Milk.
Thank you. Thank you for the milk. What else do you have for sale? Anything? How about some cookies? Cookies? You bring me some cookies? Or some apples? Bring apples over? Whoopsie.
Milk.
Milk? Milk? More milk? Okay. Alright. Thank you. Alright. I think the store is going to be closed now. Alright. Bye-bye.